Dear you, don't give up. Hey, if you're reading this, maybe you're tired. Tired of trying. Tired of failing. Tired of feeling like you're not good enough. Maybe you've been learning English for a while, but still feel stuck. Or maybe you're just starting, and it all feels too much. New words, strange grammar, confusing rules. Yeah, I get it. But I want to tell you something important. You don't have to be perfect. You don't need to speak like a native. You don't need to know every word in the dictionary. You just need to try. And that, trying, is already brave. Every time you open your mouth to say something in English, even if it's not perfect, that's courage. Every time you mess up and keep going, that's strength. Every time you feel like giving up but don't, that's power. You are doing more than you think. Progress may feel slow, but slow progress is still progress. You're moving, you're growing, and every mistake, it's a step forward. You're not behind. You're not too late. You're exactly where you need to be. Trust the process. Trust yourself. No one became fluent overnight. Everyone started with, hello. Everyone made silly mistakes. Everyone felt lost at some point. But they kept going. And you will too. Because you are capable. You are enough. You are smart. You are strong. And you are learning. Day by day. Word by word. Sentence by sentence. It may not be easy. But it will be worth it. So breathe. Smile. And keep going. Your English journey is yours. No one else can walk it for you. But I'm here, cheering for you. And one day, you'll look back and say, wow, I made it. Keep learning. Keep believing. Keep being you. You got this. Glowing star.